Ayurveda is a traditional system of healing originating from India. The Ayurveda Herb Pack. We are devoted to organic, and our partnership farm in India is free of any chemical pesticides or synthetic fertilizers. Only carefully selected, hand-picked organic herbs are used in our herb pack. The main ingredients for the herb pack have all received organic certification from JAS, USDA, EcoCert, and various other institutions around the world. The main ingredients are the leaves of the cassia plant and the leaves of the neem plant. Both of these are dried and ground into powder form and blended at a certain ratio. This is the animal Ayurveda beauty and health herb. Ayurveda has been historically practiced in India for skin and hair care. Since the ingredients are natural herbs, there is no problem for use with dogs that constantly lick. The herb pack can be safely used for dogs with skin disorders as well. Now that you understand the wonders of the Animal Ayurveda Beauty and Health Herb Packs, we will now be demonstrating how to prepare and apply the pack. We will be using a container with an airtight lid to efficiently make the paste. Add 200 milliliters of hot water into the container. The water should be about 40 degrees Celsius. Next, add the herbs to the container after the hot water. Tightly secure the lid and shake the container 20 to 30 times and the mixture will become a paste. If you do not have a container with a lid, a deep bowl and a whisk can be used to make the paste as well. Let the paste sit for 5 minutes to settle the components. For an elegantly moisturized finish, use the hair control beauty oil as well. Add about 1/10 the amount of the herbs to the mixture and use the same procedure as before. Once the paste is ready, it's time to start the pack. First, brush well to detangle hairs. Next, shower and wet the entire body. The pack will be applied while the whole body is wet. Be sure to check the thickness of the paste before applying. If the paste is too thick, adjust by adding hot water. The optimal thickness should look like this. Start by applying the paste to the back, then spread the paste to the rest of the body. Next, apply the paste to the face as well. For dogs with a long or thick coat, be sure to split the hairs to work the paste onto the skin. Once applied, spread the paste evenly over the rest of the body. Be careful not to tangle hairs when applying the paste. Rubbing or brushing may cause tangles. Fully wash off the pack with a steady shower before the paste dries and hardens. Then, wash the rest off with shampoo. Shampoo several times if necessary. After drying with the towel, dry thoroughly with the dryer. The herb pack is now complete. It has a smooth finish that is soft to the touch. Look at the outstanding finish. The volume and glare in the coat is unmistakable. We hope you all were fascinated with the magic of the Animal Ayurveda Herb Pack and are intrigued to experience the stunning transformation firsthand.